keeps bringing us interesting news about its partnership with other crypto industry. A tweet was made 2 days ago about C14, and as you can see on the screen, this is the tweet. Okay, and the interesting part of this is that CoreDAO, they retweeted these posts acknowledging that yes, they've actually partnered with C14. Okay, and this is the tweet. Exciting news: C14 has integrated with CoreDAO. Developers leverage C14 to introduce your users to Core with API support in 40 plus countries. Okay, now this C14, an industry, a kind of a crypto industry that has partnered with CoreDAO. Now, someone will ask, what are they into, the C14? Now, let's quickly go to their Telegram handle and see. Let's go to their page. Now, this is the page. Now, let's go to their website and see what they do. Now, this is their website. Okay, this is their website. So C14, it's a platform that accepts fiat for cryptocurrency. Okay, so with this platform, one can exchange USDT, that is dollars, and some other kind of currency, local currency, with cryptocurrency. That is, I mean, you can change your fiat to cryptocurrency and vice versa. Now, if you take a look at this, when we click on USD, when I click on this USD, you discover that there are lots of coins that have been that are here. Sorry, there are lots of currencies that are here. Okay, you see the dollars, you see the euros. Okay, different types of currency used in different countries. Okay, so we have many of them. Okay, now these currencies can be exchanged directly for cryptocurrency. Now let us click on this USD coin. Okay, let me click on this USD coin. This is the section where the cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, these are the different types of cryptocurrency that have been listed on this C14 platform. Now, the interesting part of this is that they have partnered with CoreDAO, and you see CoreDAO listed on their platform. So what it means is that one can easily change each local currency from whether USDT, whether euros, whether in pounds. You can change it directly to Core. This is like a swap platform. Now let us take, for instance, let us alter this figure. Let us say 30, and let's see what it will give. Now you can see 30 USD. I hope you can see the screen. 30 USD, okay, but what we have here will give you, you're going to receive 73.52 Core. That is if you exchange 30 USD. Okay, now, and you see here is the network fee, okay, the C14 fee, and here is the total fee. Okay, so this is a very great crypto exchange platform, okay, that enables you to convert your fiat to crypto. So this C14 platform is like a payment gateway. Okay, it's a payment gateway that enables you to convert your fiat to crypto and your crypto to fiat. Now, CoreDAO has also contributed immensely to the development of Ethlisbon. Okay, as you can see, this tweet, which was made on the 24th of October, sorry, this tweet was made on the 24th of October, as you can see it here, around 4:29 p.m. Okay, CoreDAO here, they are calling on all builders. Okay, and it shows that CoreDAO is one of the sponsors at the Ethlisbon Hackathon. Okay, now here is also an interesting news where CoreDAO said that they will be giving $10,000. Wow, that is massive. They will be giving $10,000 for the best project. There are also bonus prizes for security, prevention, and awareness, and also $50,000 in project funding. Okay, so CoreDAO, they are doing their best, okay, embracing other crypto industry, partnering with other crypto industry, and contributing to building other legit crypto industries. Now, another interesting news is that PinkSale, they have cooperated with CoreDAO. As you can see on this tweet, sorry, they say we here at PinkSale are proud to announce the integration of CoreDAO into our ecosystem. With CoreChain now being added to PinkSale, projects can now hold their raises on Core. So Core has integrated with PinkSale, and this is a very massive development in the PinkSale ecosystem. So to understand more about PinkSale, you can go to their the Twitter handle. You can go there, then you check their homepage and read more. You can go to their website pinksale.finance to read more about Pink sales. Now, before we go, here is a warning that was passed by CoreDAO some days ago. Now, listen to this warning. CoreDAO, they have warned, and they say that Core is a permissionless layer 1 where anyone can build. Now, what this means is that one can build on this Core blockchain without any permission from the CoreDAO. Okay, hence, you see that bad actors, they can try to take advantage of it. So, CoreDAO is warning right now that they said, in order to protect yourself, there is a channel in CoreDAO's Discord that you should always check while you do your own research and before interacting with any project. Now, and this is the link. Okay, I'm going to drop it in the description. So, what it's trying to say is, do not interact with any website that claims to be CoreDAO that are not CoreDAO. You make sure you do your own research. This is a warning directly coming from the CoreDAO. So guys, take this warning very serious and make sure that you always do your own research before you interact with any project that claims to be in cooperation or that has an integration with CoreDAO. So guys, this is what I want to share with you in this video. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to my video. Feel free to share my videos. If you have any question relating to Core, feel free to drop your question at the comment section. If there is any other video you want me to create in this channel, do well to drop the title of the video in the comment section, and I will do well to drop the video in this channel. So guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.